Two reasons why you keep blowing your account. Whether small account, big account, pro firm, whatever account size, there's only two reasons why you're blowing that account. I'm going to make you understand what those reasons are and how we can be able to overcome the problem. If you're seeing me for the very first time, my name is Divine. What I do here is basically document how I trade and make videos that will improve how you approach trading. If you want to be seeing content like this, I want you to smash the subscribe button, like this video, and drop a comment. I'll be right back. Alright, before we go into these two reasons, I want you to simply share this video so that those who are going through similar problem can learn from what I'm about to say in this video. Right? So share the video so that those who are going through the similar problem can basically learn from what I'm about to say. Now, the number one reason why you're blowing your account is that you're responsible for the reason why you're blowing the account. There are things you're doing that is causing you to blow the account. I'm going to highlight three major things that you're doing that is causing you to blow your account. And after highlighting these three things, I'm going to give you a test that you do that will enable you correct these things you're doing. And these three things is responsible for your emotional decisions in the market. Number one, the first thing you're doing wrongly is the fact that you're funding your last money and you don't know where the next money is going to come from. Hence, causing you to put pressure on the account and put pressure on yourself. That means the first thing you're doing wrongly is that you're broke, you're funding your last money, and you're putting pressure on the account and putting pressure on yourself. And when I mean putting pressure on the account, what I mean is you're simply over leveraging, you're simply using a big lot size that will enable you make fast money and at the same way blow your account fast. And when I mean putting pressure on yourself, what I mean is that you're simply making emotional decisions based on your account size and based on your high expectations. This is the first reason you're blowing up your account. Now, if you're in this category, what you want to basically do is simply try and see how you can be able to stop being broke and get something else that will make money for you. And then when you're trading, you relax with calmness. This is the first thing you need to do that will enable you to stop blowing your account. By simply going to do another business that will get money for you to fund your account and you trade while being very relaxed, knowing that you have something else that will give you money even if you make a loss. Number two thing you're doing wrongly is impatient and lack of discipline. And when I mean impatient and lack of discipline, what I mean is this: you have a good edge, you have a good strategy, you have a good risk management, but you just simply lack impatience and you lack discipline. And how I'm able to know this is because your edge is asking you to simply buy at a specific level, but your impatience and lack of discipline is making you to buy early or buy late. Now, the chart is controlling you to make decisions instead of your strategy or your edge. This is how I know that you're impatient and you lack discipline. You lack this discipline to wait for your edge to make you to make a decision, but instead you're letting the chart pattern make you make a wrong decision. Lack of patience and lack of discipline. Number three reason why you're blowing your account, or number three thing you're doing that is causing you to blow your account. You're using a half-baked strategy to come to the market. And what I mean by a half-baked strategy, I mean that you have not come down to learn and understand how your edge work and how to properly use your edge in the live market. That means you have an edge, but you have not come down to learn how it truly works, the emotion behind your edge, and how to use your edge to make money in the live account. You're using a half-baked strategy to approach the live market. Now, if you're doing any of these three things, one of the proofs to know that you're in this category of the reason you're making losses or blowing accounts is because of you is the fact that you're able to make money on a demo account, but cannot make money on a live account. If you're in this category, this is a proof that the reason you're blowing your account is because of you. And the test I want to give you is this, which I know you're not going to do it. I'm very sure that you're not going to do this test that I'm going to give to you. If you're able to make money on demo accounts and cannot make money on a live account, what you want to do is this. I want you to simply fund a live account. Maybe just fund like $100 or $50, right? Small money. And also fund the same amount on your demo account, right? When you fund these two accounts, I want you to simply treat demo accounts. Now, while trading the demo accounts, I want you to take journals of the trade you're taking, the emotions, your behavior towards the charts, your behavior when price was going to stop loss, your behavior when price was going to take profits. I want you to take journal on a demo account. And also, I want you to do the same thing on your live account. Take journals of how you were behaving when the market was going to stop loss, and take journal of how you're behaving when price was going to your take profits. Once you do these two things, select the beans from the stone, you're going to understand the reason why you're able to make money on demo accounts and most likely blow your live account. The second reason why you keep blowing account is this. You have not yet configured your brain to understand that every edge out there is flawed. And what this means is that no matter what you're going to use, ICT, SMC, S&D, anyone you choose to use, that it is capable of making you to lose. That means there will be a point where whatever you're using is going to cost you to make losses. But your duty as a trader is to simply adjust to what it is the loss and adjust to what it is the profits. That is what makes you a good trader. And for you to be able to adjust, you have to develop a mantra that will enable you to stay afloat. Right? You have to develop a mantra or a slogan that will enable you to what? Stay afloat. For example, I like to use a mantra that tells me that no matter how much I'm going to risk on a particular trade, I will always have that same amount to risk on the next trade. For example, let's say I want to risk 1K on a particular trade. I want to always make sure that I have another 1K that I want to risk on the next trade. And even if I lose on the second trade, I have another 1K that will make me to open the next trade. Right? So I want to always make sure that I have the next money to risk the next trade, no matter the outcome. This is my own mantra. You have to simply configure your brain to understand your edge, how it works, and develop a mantra that will enable you to stay afloat in the market. It takes time and it takes dedication for you to achieve this. That will be all for this video. I will see you on the next one. Peace.